Hi, first grade. It's Miss Rudolph here. I'm so happy to be here with you today. It is time for math, but before we begin, I want to play a fun game to get our brains all warmed up for our math lesson today. So what I need you to get is I need you to get two pieces of paper. Press pause, go get two pieces of paper and something to write with, and meet me back here. Great, friends. I hope you have your pieces of paper. Now what you're going to do is on one piece of paper, you're going to put this sign. Who remembers what this is called? That's right. It's called the plus sign. And when we see this, this means we're going to add. We're going to put two things together, two numbers together. Okay, so that's on the one piece of paper. Then what you're going to do is on the other piece of paper, you're going to put this sign. And who remembers what this sign is called? That's right, the minus sign. And when we see this, this means we're going to subtract. We're going to take away from that whole number. We're going to break that whole number apart, okay? So you should now have two pieces of paper, one with the plus sign and one with the minus sign. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up a number sentence. Don't worry about solving it right now. We'll do that at the end of our time with that number sentence. What I want you to do is in your brain decide if you're going to add or subtract to solve that problem. Okay, so when I show you the number sentence, you're either going to hold up this sign or this sign. Okay, I'm going to do four, so I'm going to give you a point for each time you get something right. So hopefully by the end of this, you have 4 whole points. So let's try to get that, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Here's my first one. What am I going to do? Hold up either that plus sign or that minus sign. What am I going to do to solve this problem? Am I going to add or subtract? I hope you held up the plus sign, and if you did, give yourself a squeeze and you get a point. Great job. That's right. And if you look here in the middle, we have our clue. There's the plus sign. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 and 1 and put them together and see what we get. So if I have 5 and 1, put them together, I get 6. Great job, friends. Okay, so I hope you got a point. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Okay, let's do the next one. Ready? I'm going to try to trick you. Here we go. What am I going to do for this one to solve it? Am I going to add or subtract? Hold up your sign. I hope you are holding up the minus sign, which tells you to subtract. If you did, give yourself a pat on the back and you get another point. Great job. So if you look right here, we have our minus sign. So what we're going to do is we have our whole number, the 3, and we are going to break that apart and take away 2 and see what we get, okay? So if I have 3 and I take away 1, 2, I'm left with 1. Good job, friends. Did you get a point? I hope you did. All right, here's number 3. What are you going to do for this one? Are you adding or subtracting? Adding or subtracting? I hope you held up the plus sign, and if you did, give yourself a high five. You got another point. And that's right, once again, friends, I see the plus sign. That's my clue. So I'm going to put 7 and 3 together and see what I get. So if I have 7 and I'm going to add 3, so 1, 2, 3, what did I get? 10. That's right. Great job. Okay, so how many points do you have so far? I hope you have 3. All right, this is your last chance, okay? So last chance, and hopefully you have all 4 points, okay? What are you going to do for this one? Are you adding or subtracting? I hope you held up your minus sign, and if you did, you get another point, and I want you to give yourself a big squeeze. Great job. Yes, friends, because look here, there's our clue, our minus sign. So we're going to take our whole number, which is 7, and then we're going to take away 7 and see what we get. So if we have 7 and we take away 7, what do we get? 0. Great job. So you can play this game to work on your math skills with mom, dad, aunt, uncle, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, whoever's helping you. Now that you have your pieces, you can have them write down some number sentences, and then you can see if you're going to add or subtract and see if you're right, okay? So I hope you got all 4 points, and I hope your brain is all warmed up and ready to go. All right, head over to the math assignment for today, and I'll see you soon.